So exactly what we predicted it to do, market has eventually given us that movement. So if you have not watched the analysis we did right last on Euro GBP, if you've not watched it, you can go back to the channel to watch it and confirm. I told you guys clearly, right? I told you guys that clearly Euro GBP will be giving us a bullish move. That was our prediction. The prediction was very simple. Euro GBP must give us a bullish move, and it did give us that bullish move. So you can see that our prediction was absolutely right. So this is one of the reasons why, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do not miss out on the next update will be dropping for you guys. Make sure you click on the subscribe button right now, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now start with the trend right here, guys. This is our first higher high on Euro GBP, right? Then here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Markets was now able to push on to form a new higher high. This is a pullback, which is an higher low. Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes a pullback, which is an higher low. So with this higher low that market has given us, market has now pushed up again to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high right here. So market has now given us a bullish move, which has formed a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So we should be expecting market to actually pull back. Once it pulls back by giving us an higher low, then expect market to push up one more time to form a new higher high. So if you are in the buy on your Euro GBP, still you can still hold in for the buy position. But if you are not yet in the buy and you're looking to open on the buy, personally I would have said, I would literally let you to know that the movements have already been made. Now is not the best time to go in for the buy right now, except market is able to give you a pullback. Except market is able to give you the pullback, fine. If not, in the ticket is just not important. So what we're just trying to say is that our trend right on Euro GBP is pointing to the upside. So we should be anticipating for a bullish move on Euro GBP. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on your updates.